Hey, what's up, guys? Today is Saturday, December the 28th. I thought I was done for the year, but I'm not. So actually, this is my client. She's right there. She's leaving. This is Jenny. Jenny actually went on my website yesterday, and she filled out the inquiry. She's moving into this home. There are pine floors. She said, Courtney, I just wanted an idea of what I could do to these floors without sanding them. And she told me, she said, you put a big smile on my face when I watch your videos. So with that being said, guys, I never came out here, did a consultation. Like I said, most of my jobs now, I am just giving them a price over the phone based off pictures and square footage. That's what I did for Jenny. So about close to 1,000 square feet, $250 a square foot. She said, let's go with the screen and recoat. She didn't want to do the UV cure. So what I'm going to be doing, guys, is a screen and recoat on these hard pine floors. And let me show you what I'm going to be doing today. All right, guys. So these are the floors that she wants to screen and recoat. So we got a bedroom here. We got a bedroom here. We have a small potty room. We have this hallway. Another bedroom. Okay, floors are not bad. And then here was most of the high traffic areas. I'm going to be doing some color correction. See up in here, up in there. Really the grain is just going in those areas. Look, color correction up in here. So that's all I'm going to be doing today, guys. So this will be my last job of the year because me and the family going to take like a little trip tomorrow to Panama City Beach. One of our favorite places to go. We love going to Panama City, and this will be our first time going around this time of the year to see the peach drop for New Year's, and then we'll be back. I'll be back and working next Thursday. So anyway, guys, we'll go ahead and get started, and I'll show you some results. Guys, I'm gonna give you a little hardwood floor tip. When you are vacuuming your floors, a lot of times clients have the quarter rounds and the baseboards. If you notice dust on those baseboards, guys, just go ahead and vacuum it off, because the reason why, remember, it is dust. There is air movement. You can also flip it around backwards, kind of go up and down the wall if you need to. Just go ahead and do it, because the reason why, that's going to avoid any type of dust or debris falling from these baseboards and getting into your finish. And sometimes even yourself, you won't like that look. So again, sometimes if I notice dust, debris on the walls, go ahead and vacuum it off. You ain't going to hurt nothing. And then that will keep that stuff from falling into your finish. All right, guys. See you in the next one. Aka Pro, let's go. All right, guys, got the coating going down. All right. I also do have a paid consultation to do today. A lot of times people will just pay for the consultation because they don't really know what they need. The client said, Courtney, I don't know if I need a cleaning buff or a screen or recoat, so I'll just rather have you come over and just do the consultation. So I do have to do a consultation after this job, not going back to the office. So everything was really, really local today. All right, guys, go ahead and get these floors coated. Oh man, it's looking so good. Make sure you keep that roller loaded with poly. Don't be stingy on your poly, man. Especially when, I won't say especially, you shouldn't do it anyway, but clients pay really, really good for these services. So you don't want to be skimpy, especially with the most important part, which is the finish. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, let's go in here, look at the floors. I also took care of that for Miss Jenny as well. She's very happy with that. Let's go take a look. Got a little leaf right there. There's just a little leaf. Oh, the floors look so much better. Come on in, Miss Jenny. Come tell us what you think. Oh, that looks beautiful. Look at that, guys. And remember all those areas where she was missing all the stain. I did the color correction. That looks so good. Oh, that looks so good. Perfect. Beautiful. Beautiful. Tutti frutti. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Nice, nice, nice. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. All right. Miss Jenny? Yeah. How does it look? Looks great. All right, guys. Well, that's gonna do it. I'm about to go to, like I said, Loganville. So what is it? Loganville, Monroe area, and do a consultation. And I thank you guys again for watching. See you in the next one.